Updating your billing plan on GitLab Premium is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your plan is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your GitLab account. Access your GitLab account by visiting the GitLab website and entering your login credentials. Make sure you have administrative privileges to make billing changes. Step 2. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the billing or subscription section in the left-hand menu to access your current billing information. Step 3. Review your current plan. In the billing section, review your current subscription details. Take note of the plan you are currently on and the options available for upgrading or changing your plan. Step 4. Select a new plan. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and update your payment information. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm the change. You may need to enter or update your payment information. Review everything carefully and submit your changes. After completing these steps, your billing plan on GitLab Premium will be updated. Make sure to check for any confirmation emails regarding your new subscription.